Okay, so it's been a few days since I last updated you, but do you just want to be in here or in that room? I'm confused how everybody's gonna fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a 6, 7. There's a quadruple. 10, 11, 12, 13. I feel like we're still missing. It's been a while since I updated you on this camera, but it is July 9th. It is 12:06 p.m. We took a boat from LIPARI to Milazzo, I think. And then we took a bus from Milazzo to Catania, and we're in Catania for a night because we fly out tomorrow. But I thought I would show you the room before everyone messes it up. It's really small and simple, just if it would focus. It has 3 beds, a little things to put your suitcases on, drawers, desk, TV, air conditioning, thank God. There's me. My travel outfit, yeah. And then the bathroom, which is right here. We can kind of light toilet, cute sink, and ooh, really nice shower. That's gonna be nice. This is a very nice shower. This is a very nice place. So, oh, and it has even a little pull-out mirror. How cute. But this is just for one night, so I'm trying to figure out where everyone else is, like the rooming assignments and everything, because people just kind of go wherever they want. So I'm excited. We have our last few days of our custom left. My sister joins me on Friday, and today is Tuesday, I think. So that's very exciting. So we're in this McDonald's, and it's actually humongous. Like, you need to see this. And that's the second floor up there too. I got a drink and some fries, and then I got a water. Fries and I ate so much. Right now we are in a Coliseum that used to be here in Catania, so it's very interesting walking around in it. This creepy passageway. Whoa.
Yeah, this is like not even.
What's over there?
I don't know. I'm scared to look. Probably like a dragon.
A dragon.
Don't look at that gate. There's a dragon. Probably. I'm too scared to look.
It's the same thing on the other end.
What's over here?
Nothing. Someone put flowers in there. It's not bad.
Boss, how's it going? Tutto bene? Tutto a posto.